Hello everyone, this is Priyam Jory from Informatica, and in this video we will learn how to install MDM on a WebLogic server with MS SQL. So let's begin with the agenda for this video. First, we will discuss the prerequisites to install MDM on a WebLogic server. We will also discuss the installation steps followed by a demo. In the end, we will verify if the installation is successful or not. Now coming to the prerequisites, first review the product availability matrix for MDM multi-domain to discover the system requirements and supported versions for products, databases and application servers. You can find all the product availability matrices at the mentioned link. We also need a master schema and blank ORS with metadata imported along with the active schema. Configure WebLogic server for MDM installation. Configure SQL server along with the exit transactions. Now coming to the installation steps, run the installer after extracting the contents, accept the license agreement, provide the hub server installation directory, provide the license file, enter the hub server host IP and port, select the application server as Oracle WebLogic, provide the base domain path for WebLogic, enter the server details along with the WebLogic console password, select the database as SQL server, enter the Activo schema details, provide the Activo server path. We will follow the same process for the client server. Now let's continue with the demo. We will first install the hub server followed by the client server. We will accept the license agreement, provide the installation directory for the hub server, we have to provide the Cyprian license file, we are using default hash key, we are installing on localhost and the port for WebLogic is 7001. We will choose the Oracle WebLogic as the application server and provide the base domain path. The server name is admin server and the WebLogic console password. Select the Microsoft SQL Server as the database. We have to provide the CMX system schema name and password. We are also installing ActiveOS along with the hub server. Provide the installation directory. ActiveOS DBO password. Provide the installer for the ActiveOS server. The ActiveOS console username and password. Select the industry as per your requirement and deploy the hub server. This concludes the successful installation of the hub server. Now we will proceed with the client server installation. We will accept the license agreement. We'll provide the client server installation directory. We'll provide the Cyprian license file. We will choose the application server as Oracle WebLogic. We will provide the path till base domain. The server is admin server and WebLogic console password. Select the environment type as per your use case. We will run the post-installation script during this installation. Now coming to the post-installation steps, check the status of all the .ear files under Summary of Deployments tab in WebLogic console. Launch the hub, IDD, provisioning, PDD and ActiveOS URLs. Download the hub console and register the ORS. Register the process server and test connection. You can refer to the mentioned KB article for configuring exit transactions in SQL Server. You can find the installation guide for MDM installation at docs.informatica.com. We would love to hear from you. You can write to us at supportvideos@informatica.com or on a Twitter account. Thanks for watching.